Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect your Phantom wallet right here to CoinMarketCap. And if you want to do this, quite simple. We go right here to Portfolio and then we click here on Create Portfolio. Then we select right here Create Your Wallet. And now what we're going to do is we go right here to Phantom and then we go right here left in the top. Then decide right here which wallet we want to connect. So let's do our Bitcoin wallet. Then we click right here on this wallet address, paste it right here. And then we call this one the portfolio name that we already having right here. And we can do this right here, Bitcoin. Then we select right here, create connection. And right now, if you can see, we are having right here our Phantom wallet from Bitcoin standing in CoinMarketCap. So now when we have Bitcoin right there on this wallet address, we can trading with this wallet address. So this is how you can connect Phantom wallet right here to CoinMarketCap. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.